Kid Wiz channel. Let's learn together.
The Magical Pot. Once upon a time in a village surrounded by hills and mountains lived Emily with her brother Ben and their mother. They worked hard to have food on the table, as all the other people in the village. One day, while looking for berries in the forest, Emily and Ben spotted something shiny among the bushes. They started to dig and found an old but beautiful pot. They took it home and cleaned it nicely. Emily looked at the pot and said, "I really wish we had some soup to eat." As soon as she said it, the pot had inside the most delicious soup she has ever seen. The family sat down to enjoy their unexpected feast, and they couldn't believe their luck. The pot continued to make food whenever they made a wish, and soon, their home was filled with abundance. The mother's wish of a garden filled with vegetables was granted too. Emily, Ben, and their mother wanted to help the other people in the village and let them all make wishes. The magical pot granted the wishes to them all. Everyone was happy, but some people became greedy and wanted more than what they needed. The pot started to fade and made almost no wishes come true. Emily and Ben paid attention to the pot's behavior and asked everyone to make selfless wishes that everyone can enjoy. The villagers understood that if they continue to be greedy and selfish, they will have no magical pot anymore. So everyone wished for clean water, good harvest, health for themselves and their animals. As their wishes were selfless, the pot's magic grew stronger and stronger and continued to grant wishes to everyone. The village became known for its kind-hearted people and for their willingness to help each other. They all learned that true magic comes from helping and sharing with each other. Emily, Ben, and their mother continued to live in their cottage, surrounded by the love and gratitude of their community.
Thank you for watching. Come back again.